The iTel A37 isn't a gaming phone, neither does it have a gaming chipset. Also, storage and RAM would discourage you from gaming on this device, which doesn't mean that a few number of people that will get this device won't game on it and won't get very noticeable frame drop to their disappointment. But you won't get any form of lag if you play the pre-installed game that came with the device. What's up guys, it's Michael. Before we get into some gameplay, let me list out the specs of this device. The iTel A37 comes with a relatively palm-sized 5.7-inch touch notch display with massive bezels and chain, 3020 mAh battery that can last for about an hour and a half for only gaming, 1 gig of RAM that doesn't help in running background apps, and 16 gig of internal storage, which after installing PUBG Mobile Lite, you will be left with only 8 gig. A little spoiler, I made 12 kills in PUBG Mobile Lite on the 32nm Spectrum chipset, which I was shocked that happened with the very obvious lags, but without wasting much of your time, let's get into the gameplay. Kindly bear with me, the audio during the screen record didn't work because the default screen recorder doesn't record audio. After gaming on this device for 20 minutes, the iTel A37 got a bit warm. The frame drops were very obvious, which I would not advise you to get this device to play any graphic intensive game or just don't game at all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the video showing on your screen right now.